Hi, teacher and classmate of the course English Phonetic. I start my explication about the task 7 final activity in the video 1 about the uh, I choose the iPad symbol. My first iPad symbol is phonic air. In recipe pronunciation and in general American the iPad phone air corresponding to initial consonant sound in words like rose and ground, and the final one in a car and more. In an arrow notation, the correct hyperphonetic symbol for R is R. For simplicity in abroad notation, R is used the more dictionary. Example for the word is river and rose. And the symbol IPA R I am found in the place articulation retroflex. The distinct feature on some retroflex consonant is that the tongue curves off slightly on itself when produced. Some speakers and standard American English actually use a retroflex consonant. The R is correct pretty much any word that start with R followed by a vowel such as red and real. The second phonic is K. K. In English, both in recipe pronunciation and in general American, the IPA phonetic symbol K corresponds to the initial consonant sound in the word like please and call and question, and the final one is book and black. There are also a few words, mostly from accent grid, where it corresponds to the graph sh. Cas is an unvoiced consonant and voiced counterpart in the IPA phonic G. In the word example is call. In the found the play articulation below. There are a few velar in English, so it should be pretty straightforward to learn where the point on each articulation is the point articulation indicated here. With the standard American English pronunciation rate of the long word king, it has both the velar ka and as both the first and last consonant sound respectively, and the next sound is b. In English, both recipe pronunciation and general American type of phonetic symbol b correspond to initial consonant in the words like very and visit, and the final one is fight and love. B's voiced consonant and voiced counterpart is a IPA form F. The phoneme B is spelled very reliably with the letter B. The only important distinction is very the common word on the pronouns F. See pronunciations aside of pairs of. The sample word is voice, and the found the main articulation fricatives. Are labial dental fricative consonant. The subpalatal receives the nasal resonator issued off the lower lid made a light contact with the upper teeth, forming a flat narrowing. The escaping air passes through this narrowing with friction, but the friction is mostly, whereas there may be some vocal cord vibration accompanying B, according to the disposition between the voicing sound. Example is cover. Okay, I finished my explication about the fonts and symbol IPA. Blessings.